Chapter Means of Communication. Today we will discuss some important inventions in the field of communication. Paper. Paper is made by grinding plant material into pulp, forming it into thin sheets and then drying it. This process was invented about 2000 years ago by Cai Lun, a Chinese official and members of Chinese imperial court. Early Chinese paper was made from bark of the mulberry tree and other plant fibers. In the slide, you can see how they used to make paper. Printing press. Johannes Gutenberg was a German craftsman, inventor, and printer who invented the first printing press with movable type in 1450. This invention revolutionized printing, making it simpler and more affordable. This made printed material available to the masses for the first time in history. Camera. The camera was invented, or rather developed, by multiple people over the course of history. But the camera was invented as we know it today by French inventor Joseph Nicephore Niepce in 1816. Braille. Braille is a coded system of raised dots that are used by the blind to read. Louis Braille invented this system in 1829. He was blinded as a child and invented his extraordinary system. He also published the method of writing words, music, and playing songs by means of dots for the use by the blind, and he also arranged them. You will study about Braille in your higher classes. Telegraph. Samuel Morse was an American inventor and painter who patented working telegraph, means who discovered working telegraph machine in 1837. He used dots and spaces code for the letter of the alphabet and the numbers. Morse code was later improved to use dots, dashes, and spaces. Morse sent first telegraphic message from Washington DC to Baltimore on May 24, 1844. About Morse code also you will study in your higher classes. Telephone. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. The telephone is one of the greatest invention ever, allowing allowing instant voice communication between people on different sides of the world. The telephone has not only made communication more efficient and faster since it was first developed, but also fostered a whole world host to new invention like cell phone and internet. Radio. Marconi means G. Marconi was an Italian inventor and physicist. In 1895, Marconi promoted and popularized the radio and building machinery to transmit and receive radio waves. Television. John Logie Baird was a Scottish inventor and engineer who was the pioneer in the development of mechanical television. In 1926, Baird was the first person to televise picture of objects in motion. In 1930, Baird made the first public broadcast of TV show. Fountain pen. Louis E. Waterman was an American inventor and insurance salesman who developed a relatively leak-proof fountain pen. He patented his new invention in 1884 and revolutionized writing. Before his invention, pen tips had to be dipped into ink after every few words. Waterman put an ink reservoir in the pen above the pen's nib, that is point. The reservoir hold enough ink for few pages of writing. www, that is World Wide Web, is collection of information which is accessed via the internet. It is a service. It connected the world in a way that was not possible before and made it much easier for people to get information, share, and communicate. It allowed people to share their work and thoughts through social networking sites, blogs, and video sharing. The worldwide has made it much easier for people to share information.